Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's a little bit different to the content that I usually shoot because we are hunting for a new house. So right now I'll take you along to see some tours, to see some house tours in Kent. It's a couple places that I'm looking at. We're only visiting two houses today, one house and one apartment actually. With me and my mum, and it's going to be a bit of a drive since we live in London. It's an hour away. But I am really excited, and this will be my first ever house that we get in. So yeah, I'll take you along. In this apartment, it is on the second floor in the building. Luckily, it does have a lift. This is the main bedroom with the ensuite attached with the standing shower and obviously a toilet and sink, pretty standard, but newly renovated with tiles. I actually noticed two different tiles on the floor. And then I'm taking you into the main bathroom for the house. And actually this is a bath with a shower head connected and a toilet as well. The kitchen itself was lovely. I loved that kitchen. I do think that the designers have really good taste. I do like the design. Unfortunately, they had a fitted washing machine. It's really nice to have white goods included and stuff. For me personally, I would like to just bring in my own washing machine. For this apartment in particular, it's nice. Don't get me wrong, it's a lovely 2-bedroom apartment. I do think the second bedroom is way too small. You'll see that in a little bit what I mean. But for my personal opinion, I just do not think you can get full-size bed in there as well as a closet. It's too small for me. I would probably use that as a closet or an office space. Other than that, I do like the concept of having 2 bathrooms and an ensuite. All in all, I just think the house is a little bit on the smaller side, just isn't for me. Instead, we went to town for a little bit, did some sightseeing before going to the second location.
No, I don't think so.
I don't know. Oh wow. Oh, it's come from inside the place. I thought it was like,
I know.
well, you know the song?
Yeah, of course I do.
Do
Aretha
you?
Franklin and George Michael. What?
I don't know who that is,
That's because
Mum.
before your time, though. You're young. Oh, look at that London cash and carry. Yeah, let me see you. You got the plantains. What kind of food you got though? I think Scotch bonnet.
Oh, you want to take some for the ride home, love?
Very good.
Some Scotch bonnet. So this is the second location, which is a 2-bedroom house, just 10 minutes from the town centre and apartment. In the kitchen, it's quite small. You can see that it had a barn door, which I actually really like, and the hallway is actually in the kitchen. So I'm going up the stairs. It is quite narrow. I'm not a big girl, but my shoulders was touching each side of the wall. It was very narrow. I'm assuming the second bedroom with a little bit of closet space in the corner. And here is the master bedroom, if that's what you can call it. So here is essentially the concept of a walk-in closet. You have closet spaces on each side and a little nook in the corner. In my opinion, it needs to be cleaned just a little bit. I've never seen that storage space before, so that was interesting. And this is when I noticed I could touch the ceiling. So I'm only 5'8". I was not on my tippy toes. So if that gives you a little bit of a reference of how small the apartment was. Again, this had a little bit of storage space in the corner as well. I did notice that there was one plug in that room, but I guess because of how small it is, that shouldn't be a problem. So through the back door, you actually have a second entrance to the garden, which is a decent size, not too shabby, but it is adjacent to the downstairs bathroom, which is the only lavatory in the house actually, and is also the only entrance through the kitchen as well. So it is the next day. I don't think I will go with those two locations just because they are both on just a little bit on the smaller side, and I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of clothes, I have a lot of things, that fucking that big ass mirror behind me. So it's just not a good fit, you know? And I think I'll make this a little bit of a series so we can actually find the perfect apartment or house for me. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.